Hello everyone, today's video is on how to make meat pie. Sit down, watch. Please do subscribe to my channel, Nenye's Kitchen. At first we'll need potatoes, carrots, minced meat, oil, seasonings, onions, salt, and then thyme. Cut and slice the onions, put it in hot oil, fry it in hot oil, stir it well, and add your minced meat. Break and stir properly. Add your salt, your seasoning, thyme, stir well. Cut and slice your potatoes, carrots, add a little bit of water. You cover it and then allow it to cook. Here you mix a little bit of flour, 1 spoon of flour into water, dissolve properly, then add in the pot. We are doing this to ensure that after baking the meat pie, when you open the meat pie, you see that it's moist inside. Then you can enjoy it well. You stir the mixture together. To the dough, I need flour, margarine, 1 egg, baking powder. I'll be using 400 grams of flour. I'm sieving it here to avoid lumps and strong. Here I add my baking powder. I'm using a tablespoon of baking powder. I mix well. Add 1 egg. I'm adding all this one at a time. Mix properly. Margarine. Salt. And 1/3 cup of milk. Add water here. And I knead well to form a dough. Cover with a clean cloth for 15 minutes. Place dough on a clean surface. And knead once more. And roll out. Cut to pieces. Prepare a pan. Roll out one of place your meat sauce. Apply egg on edges. cut out excess dough to form your own shape. Then you cover the dough or close the dough with a fork. This is to avoid it opening while it's in the oven. Repeat the same process for the rest dough. Here you have to punch your fork in dough to allow air, allow it cook well while it's in oven. Mix your egg and milk together and rub on every pie. This is to give it that shiny look. You place your dough pie in a preheated oven. Bake for 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes. Allow to cool and enjoy. Bake till it is light brown or dark brown. Once you open it, you see the inside is moist. It will enable for easy chewing and to bring out the taste also. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share and like this video.